不 Mei. Have you heard of these two words? And in this video, we're going to talk about these two words, 不 and Mei, and knowing when to use it and when not to use it. So, we are here, and what is actually the difference between the two? These two words simply means it's no or not. So, in addition, both can be used to negate a word. So, let's run with some examples. So, let's start with 是. 是 means yes. So what we can do here is we can add 不是. 不 we add before 是. So if you say 是 means yes, and if you add 不是 means no, it becomes negative. So the next example is 好. 好 means good. And if you're gonna negate the word good, it's gonna sound like this. 不好. 不好 means not good. So if you say 有, 有 means have. But are we gonna use 不有? Is this the correct way of saying it? It's wrong. So instead of saying 不, we're going to say 没有. 没有 means don't have. So how about the next one? 可以, which means can. What we're going to do is we're going to add 不可以. 不可以 means cannot. Are you getting how simple it is? So let's try another example, which is 上班. 上班 means go to work. And which are we going to use now? Is it 不 or is it 没? So the correct is 不上班 means no work. So what we're going to do here is we're going to start with the first guideline of 不. If we're going to put it into an example sentence, it's going to sound like this. 今天晚上我不喝酒. It means tonight I don't want to drink. So let me give you another example. 妈妈不会来吃晚饭, which means mom will not be coming to have dinner. So let me show you a wrong way. So a wrong way is like 妈妈没回来吃晚饭. So the next guideline or rules is to use 不 into habitual actions. So the first example would be 我不吃肉. I don't eat meat. So I'll show you the wrong way. 我没吃肉. So the next example would be 我不喝酒. It means I don't drink. I'll show you the wrong way. 我没喝酒. So far, how are these two rules or guidelines for you to take on? Let's go with an example. So the example would be 我不饿. It means I'm not hungry. The wrong way is going to be 我没饿. 我没饿. So another example would be 我不胖. It means I'm not fat. If you go with the wrong way, it's going to be 我没胖. So the next one would be another rule or guideline for 不, which is asking questions. So it's like 是不是? 是 means yes, 不是 means no, right? So let's go with some examples. So first example would be 你是不是我的老师? 你是不是我的老师 means are you my teacher? Let's have another example, which is 你在不在家? Which means are you home or not? So let's go with an example. 我没收到他的消息. It means I never heard from him, or I didn't receive his message. Alright, this other rule or guideline would be to specifically to a word which is 有. 有 means have. So the only way to use 有 to negate it is only 没. 没有. 没有. You can't use 不有. 不有. It doesn't sound natural. It's wrong anyways. Let's have another example, which is 他不有女朋友. Does it sound right? Or it isn't? 他没有女朋友. He doesn't have a girlfriend. So the next rule or the guideline would be for 没 would be for comparison. A simple comparison. 我们没有老板忙. It means we are not as busy as our boss. So let me show you a wrong way to say it. You're going to say 我们都不有老板忙. So another example would be 你没有我高. It means you're not as tall as me. The key point here is you just need to remember 没 always go with 有. They can't split apart. They're always together. And in 不, there's also something that comes together all the time. So if it's 是不是在不在知道不知道认识不认识. So these are just the common words that probably you have to know. So we are here and let's recap and have a summary that you can see in the screen. So 不 will always go with present and future. And if you say 没 means using it for the past. So don't forget, 没 always comes with 没有. So now, do you see the difference between the two? If you do, let me know in your comments below. How do you find this video? Let me know if this video has given you value and if it can be helpful in your situation. Give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, hit that subscriber bell button below because you're going to receive updates every week new and new videos, and you're gonna be the first one to know. And if you feel that this video can be beneficial for other people that you know, please share our video so that we can have more reach to reach more and more Chinese learners that can help their Chinese learning journey. And I'll see you on my next video. 再见。